Good morning, all. So right now I'll be replacing my airbag. I found one the other day and the band was broken. So this is my replacement airbag. G2 airlift. So on the car, this metal band in here pretty much broke off. But I haven't had any problems with the air leaking out, so I just want to change it anyway. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Should have got a chair, but I don't have a chair to sit on. Okay, so let me show you guys, I'm going to give you a close-up how the airbag is going now. The airbag is going to explode. So, check this out. I don't know if y'all can see that, but check that out. See, that's the metal band right here. So let me show you the metal band. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at it. It's completely ripped. Let me see if I can point it out to you guys. But this is it right here. Look where my hand is. So it's completely ripped out. You guys can't see. So let me go get a. There you go. Out. So I'll show you guys what happened here. So check this out. See those spikes there? That's the band that goes around the airbag. It keeps it from expanding like a balloon. I mean, the airbag, it was good. It was driving like that. Last week when I was changing the wheels, I noticed the band was broken, so I'm changing it. What's the replacement bag? This is the replacement bag right here. I ordered it from D2. So we are going to change it. We're going to change it right now. So let's get the new one on. I already tested. Me and my cousin, we tested. We put air through it. Everything's good. There's no leaks, so that's a good thing. Now we're going to install it back because I need this car to go home. Alright guys, I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm going to go clean up. So this airline doesn't want to come off. So I just got to clean the threading before. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm using here the battery terminal cleaner. The same size as it. Look, just took it all out. Look, like brand new again. Perfect. Look at that threading. Clean. Okay. Yeah, just put one more bite on it. Here we go. New airbag in. Just screw it on. That's it. Okay. It's nice and tight. So I want to test it before I There's that max. Got air, right? We got air. We got some soap water and just spray it. Look, I got some bubbles, so that means it's leaking. You see that? I'm glad I tested out. Yeah, let's see. Look at that. See those bubbles? So we gotta take this fitting out. Take it out again. Let's try it again. Look at the bubbles. So now I got disinflated and try all over again. Probably gonna have to use a liquid. Okay. Okay. Good. See me? You see me? Okay. The airbag here. Screw it on. So I'm just holding the wrench and spinning the airbag. Okay. It's on pretty tight, so good. It's tight. Now let's try this again. Let's go air it up. Okay. Test it. So I'll put it on the side so you guys can see. No more leaks. Look at that. You don't saw bubbles right now coming out. So what happened is I didn't put too much Teflon the first time. I needed like 2 rows, as you can see. So this time I put the Teflon at least 4 times. Okay. So we're all good. Kind of want to do is air it out, connect it right here to the bag, and put everything back together. Let's air it out. I'll just put some anti-seize here. Just so it doesn't rust. So it did rust on the other one. Seas on. Shit here. I don't want problems with this. That's why I'm doing all of this. Actual. Okay, we're in right now. 2 screws, I'll get to it. I get the bolt right through the tight seats here.
Yes, it doesn't rest. Two in there, the hole.
Okay, good. I'm gonna put it anyway. So, is it? Oh, it's this way, right? Yeah. There we go, right there. Okay. Okay. What are you doing? Oh. Okay, we're done. Okay. Already aired it out, just gotta pump it back up. There we go.